DOK-ING MV-4, Croatian Unmanned Mine Clearance System Professional Military Analysis. Introduction. The DOK-ING MV-4 is a remotely operated, tracked unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, developed by the Croatian company DOK-ING d.o.o. Purpose-built for humanitarian demining and military route clearance operations, the MV-4 is a lightweight, highly maneuverable, and battle-tested mine clearance system. It is engineered to safely neutralize anti-personnel and light anti-tank mines in a wide range of terrains while keeping operators at a safe distance. Deployed in over 30 countries, including conflict and post-conflict zones, the MV-4 represents Croatia's world-class innovation in the field of robotic explosive ordnance disposal, EOD, and countermine operations. Technical specifications. Length, 4.3 meters. Width, 2.05 meters. Height, 1.5 meters. Weight, approx 5,000 kilograms, varies with attachments. Chassis, tracked, low profile, steel armored hull. Remote control range, up to 1,500 meters, line of sight. Engine, 85 horsepower Deutz diesel. Top speed, approx 9 kilometers per hour. Fuel endurance, 6 to 8 hours of continuous operation. Transportability, air transportable via CH-47 Chinook, C-130 Hercules, or on light trucks. Operational capabilities. Primary role. Mine clearance, anti-personnel mines, tripwire activated mines, and light anti-tank mines. Secondary roles. Route clearance for convoys. Perimeter clearing for FOBs and airstrips. Safe area preparation for humanitarian aid delivery. UXO, unexploded ordnance, support operations. Control system. Fully remote operated via Rugged Military Controller Unit, RCU. Real-time camera feed with day-night vision and thermal option. Drive and flail functions are digitally managed for precision and safety. Mine clearance equipment. Flail tool. Front-mounted rotating flail system with 39 chains. Adjustable depth for shallow and semi-buried mines. Clearance width, ~1.5 meters per pass. Impact energy sufficient to initiate, detonate, or disable most anti-personnel mines. Optional tools. Tiller head for deep soil clearance. Gripper and manipulator arms for UXO handling. Dozer blade for obstacle and vegetation removal. Robotic arm attachment for technical inspection and EOD tasks. The flail's kinetic energy and durability have been tested to NATO standards and validated by agencies such as Unmanned and GIHD. Armor and survivability. Armor protection. Welded ballistic steel hull and modular protective panels. Designed to resist fragmentation and blast from anti-personnel mines and small anti-tank charges. Blast testing. Withstands detonations of up to 8 kilograms of TNT equivalent beneath the flail. Minimal maintenance, downtime post-detonation. Critical components reinforced or mounted away from impact zones. Redundancy systems. Fail-safe shutdown mechanisms. Fire suppression and fuel cutoff in case of detonation. Independent power supply for control and communication. Deployment history and operational record. Countries used. Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, Angola, Croatia, Ukraine, Colombia, Thailand, and more. Organizations. UNDP, Unmanned, Halo Trust, NATO forces, US and UK militaries, and multiple NGOs. Combat zones. Employed in IED-infested environments. Used for clearing improvised minefields and preparing safe humanitarian corridors. Successfully deployed in urban terrain, desert, jungle, and frozen ground. The MV-4 has cleared millions of square meters of mined land globally, saving thousands of lives and restoring land for civilian use. Strengths. Remote operation ensures zero risk to operate a life. Compact, agile, and air transportable, ideal for forward deployment. Modular and tool adaptable, capable of handling multiple EOD tasks. Proven in combat and humanitarian missions globally. High daily throughput in low to medium density minefields. Cost-effective, with low maintenance and high durability. User-friendly training and control interface. Limitations. Not intended for deeply buried anti-tank mines or large EFPs. Limited flail width requires multiple passes for wide area clearance. Cannot detect mines, requires pre-survey or pairing with detection units. Remote operation may be affected by terrain obstructions and jamming threats. Best suited for light and medium clearance operations, not for heavily militarized minefields. Comparison with global counterparts. Versus Bozina 5, Slovakia. Similar role, MV4 is lighter and more maneuverable. Bozina has larger clearance width. Versus US M160, based on MV4. MV4 is the original platform adopted by US for OEF/OIF. Versus Croatian MV10, MV4 is lighter, more mobile, and better suited for urban complex terrain. MV10 offers greater flail width and AT mine resistance. Strategic and humanitarian impact. The DOK-ING MV-4 plays a vital role in post-conflict reconstruction and stabilization, force protection in expeditionary operations, reducing civilian casualties in war-torn regions, enabling development and agriculture in once-mined areas, supporting NATO and UN humanitarian efforts. As global conflicts shift toward asymmetric warfare and IED-based threats, systems like the MV4 become increasingly indispensable for modern militaries and humanitarian agencies alike. Conclusion. The DOK-ING MV-4 stands as a benchmark in unmanned mine clearance technology, combining Croatian engineering excellence, combat-proven utility, and life-saving capability. It embodies the future of robotic explosive threat mitigation, offering governments, militaries, and NGOs a reliable, safe, and effective tool for clearing the world's deadliest hidden weapons. Whether in Afghanistan's deserts, Ukraine's front lines, or Africa's forgotten battlefields, the MV-4 is restoring land, saving lives, and rewriting the standard for robotic demining worldwide.